Introducing MicroCAD's self-paced interactive training. Empower your team with the industry's most comprehensive e-training solution. Architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing firms use self-paced interactive training with MicroCAD and global e-training to create and share custom workflows, build BIM software skills, and boost overall efficiency and profitability. Why choose global e-training self-paced interactive training with MicroCAD? Cost-effective training. Maximize return on investment with a smaller budget. Committing to our live training classes doesn't work with your schedule. AEC skills training. Interactive, effective, and profitable. Time-saving tools. Increase efficiency, reducing training hours. Custom e-learning. Create project-specific workflows. Up-to-date courses. Continuous updates to match industry standards. Our platform. Extensive course library. A robust catalog of BIM-relevant courses for architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing, trained with hundreds of online AEC courses covering popular topics and software. Premium courses and certifications. Expand your team's skills with specialized training. Leadership and Business Skills Series. Develop soft skills, leadership, and management abilities. Safety Essentials Bundle. Learn and maintain essential workplace safety skills. Safety Premium OSHA Plus Bundle includes Safety Essentials and official OSHA 10 and 30 content. IHASCO Safety Essentials, Health, Safety, and Compliance for UK workers. Certifications. Prove your team's competence with industry-recognized certifications. Revisto Expert Level 1 Certification, Official Training, Dataset, and Certification Exam. ATC Certificates, eligible for Autodesk Authorized Training Center Certificates of Completion. Autodesk Professional Certification, clear certification objectives marked throughout training. CAN-BIM Level 1 Certification, complete BIM Basics or Revit Robot Interoperability for certification. OSHA Certification, achieve official OSHA certification with the Safety Premium OSHA Plus Bundle. Global e-training interactive personalized course interface. A customizable interface designed for maximum engagement and retention. Experience a completely interactive training environment with a wide variety of learning tools and mediums built to drive engagement. Our platform follows the VARC learning methodology, proven to help drive retention by allowing each individual to train in the way they learn best, so they can read, try, watch, listen, and more. Access training that can be completely customized via a robust set of personalization options, so each training experience is as unique as the learner. Dark light toggle, custom learning path tab, customizable interface views, certification objective tracking, interactive element filter, live progress bar, language selector, easily access technical help desk support. Boost efficiency with the Autodesk plugin. Access training directly with Revit, AutoCAD, and more. Predictive training suggestions and real-time updates ensure continuous learning. Badges of completion. Showcase your enterprise and your expertise. Earn and share badges that demonstrate your BIM software skills. Global e-training insight skills gap assessments. Identify knowledge gaps and create custom learning paths. Spend less time training with access to custom learning paths. Report on progress with question-by-question quiz results and extensive skills gap reports. Use as a pre-hire tool and for continuous upskilling. Create custom training with the generator. Capture, create, and share company-specific workflows and processes. Leverage expert content and AI-powered tools to build courses quickly and efficiently. AI-powered course creation. Generate custom training in seconds. Combine AI's vast knowledge with self-paced interactive training's expert content and your company's unique standards. Build a course in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Tell us about your course, preferred skill level, course duration, and language. Step 2. Review, add, and edit items in your table of contents. Step 3. Receive and tailor your custom AI-generated course. Learning Management System. Manage and track learner activity with our robust LMS. Experience consistent, standardized training with easy-to-use reporting structures. Tracking and reporting tools. Data-driven decision-making. Utilize in-depth reporting dashboards and administrative tools. Executive reporting dashboards provide a company-wide snapshot of training trends and progress. In addition to self-paced interactive training, offers a variety of training options. Online training classes, classroom training, express training modules, custom training. Get started today. Contact us at 888-355-0081 or visit www.microcad3d.com for more information.